Whatever the type of installation, straight or setback, linear or modular, the last row is installed by reversing the last Vario wall unit so that the tongue faces downwards. This creates a smooth surface for the Permacon capping unit. Then glue the Permacon capping unit of your choice with Techniseal concrete adhesive. Be sure to level and align the capping with the wall. Congratulations! You finished installing the Vario wall. Quick and easy. In the following videos, you will learn about the specifics required to install a double-sided wall and how to build Vario wall steps.